Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna be making a cool card hover effect using CSS clipad property, and it's gonna look something like this. So we're gonna have a circle with an icon, and then once we hover the icon we're gonna get a full card with some text inside of it. And the things we're gonna be needing is just a bit of HTML and CSS. And the first thing I want to get is the font awesome icon. So link for that is going to be in the description. If you guys want to use the icon, you can use the text or anything really. And then here we can add our section first. So I have it open in live server. Then the only thing we're gonna have is a card. And inside of that card we wanna add that icon first. So under the icon we wanna have a H2. And lastly, we want to have a paragraph. So I'm just going to add some lorem ipsum text here. And then going back to our styles, the first thing we want to do is just remove the margin and padding. Then we want to target our section, which is hero. So we just want to make it 100% in width and height. And then here we can target our card. And we also want to add some padding. Then the next thing is the paragraph we have inside the card. So we're only gonna be adding some line height here to make it look nicer and a bit smaller font size. Then we can target this icon. This is gonna be position absolute to our card. So before we do that, we wanna make card position relative. And then here we can target our icon. And also the last thing here, we also want to add a cursor pointer once we hover the icon here. And then we're gonna have some hover on the card itself. So this is gonna be the color. And the thing here, we also wanna change the icon. So once we hover the icon, we want it to disappear. So we can do that here. So when we hover the card, we wanna select the icon. And set the color to transparent. So now when we hover it, it's gone, but it's not really smooth right now. So we want to add some transition to the actual icon. So this is how it looks right now. Then going back to the card, let's add the clip path we need. So here, also let's add some border radius. That's gonna be our card there, and also let's add transition for the hover, so it's not instant. Now it looks like that. And then finally here at the bottom where we have card on hover, we want to add clip path again. So now when we hover the card, it looks like this. So we can also center it here. Let's add display flex. So it looks like this right now. Once we hover the card, we get that effect we needed. And also you guys can mess with these values right here. So if we set this for like 45%, it's gonna look like that. So probably around like 70% could be fine here in our case. So you can leave that at 70 or 85, and then also this right here. So you can mess with these values. For example, we can set this to 20, so it looks a bit different. If you guys want to get a different shape instead of circle. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this short tutorial. We made a cool hover effect in our card. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.